Hi guys! Okay, so we are here with another challenge that is basically to have two bottles of Sprite, or basically one bottle each. We'll be having this without any break, and the challenge is
No, you can take break.
okay. So
you
we
can't
can
burp.
okay we can take break, but we're not allowed to burp. Okay, so we're supposed to finish this whole bottle. Yeah, right? Yeah, without burping.
Good
Okay,
stuff.
so let's start the challenge. Alright, go. My. So the Sprite is not cold, so I'm not really.
Already tears. I've got tears on my face.
I don't think I can do this challenge without burping.
I feel like a pregnant woman.
Okay, guys, we lost the challenge because I burped first, and soon after he did, so we didn't really make it through.
That's bad. We're never
That's
doing
bad.
this again.
So yeah, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!